In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix no sound on your HP laptop. So I'm going to walk you through some fixes and one of them should work for you. Starting with the most obvious fix. So go to your volume button in the bottom right hand corner, click on it and just make sure the volume is not muted and turn the volume all the way up to the top. You may then hear the volume and that may have fixed your issue. If not, you want to go ahead and click on the icon next to it, which is going to allow you to select a sound output, and you want to make sure that the output device is set to your speakers or your headphones, and just make sure when you scroll down to the volume mixer, you've got the sound up all the way on all of these applications open. If your sound is down on Chrome, then obviously you're not going to be able to hear anything. You need obviously it to be up on all of the apps here. You can then go to more volume settings, and here again you want to make sure that your speakers are selected. So choose where to play sound, make sure it's not playing through any microphone and it is playing through your speakers or your headphones. Again, you've got the volume settings here which you can adjust. After you've done this, what I would do is scroll down and go to more sound settings. That will open up this window here and you can go to playback, and then again make sure your speakers here are set to the default device. So if you've got anything else acting as speakers, you may want to go ahead and disable that. And just make sure that your speakers or headphones are set to the default device. So right click and then set as default device. As mine are currently default already, I can't actually change them, but it will say here set as default device. Then I would right click on my speakers or headphones, go to properties and then go to levels and just make sure the level is not at 0. Then you can go to advanced, and here where it says enable audio enhancements, just go ahead and uncheck that. So now what I would do is hold down Start and R and then just go ahead and type in services.msc. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom. You want to find Windows and then we're looking for Windows Audio. So here it is, Windows Audio. You can right click on this and then click refresh or restart and it will then restart the Windows Audio. You can also do the same thing for Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Once you've done all of those, your audio should then be working. If it still isn't working, it's probably an issue with your speakers or your headphones. Let me know in the comment section below if any of these helped you out. And thank you for watching.